Good morning, students. Myself, Bhavna Walia. Hope all of you are safe and secure in this pandemic of COVID 19. Today, I am welcoming you all in final year of MSc class. From today, we are starting your regular classes through online mode of teaching. Students, I will teach you paper 5th or paper 5 organic synthesis first. Students, organic synthesis part first, paper number 5. I will teach you organic synthesis paper, elective paper number 5. Students, part second of this paper will taken by our HOD Dr. Rajkumar Sharma. Both parts will carry 50 marks each. As today is our first class, so I will give you a brief overview about the syllabus. From next class onwards, we will study on regular basis. Students, unit first. Your unit first covered by organometallic reagents. First, we will study unit first organometallic reagents, and these topics are included in unit first. Principle, preparations, properties, applications of the following in organic synthesis with mechanism details. Students, group first and group second metals of group first and group second like lithium, magnesium, Hg, mercury, Cd, cadmium, Zn, zinc, Ce compounds. Group first and group second metals which made organometallic compounds, reagents. We will study these all reagents related with lithium, magnesium, Hg, Cd, Zn and Ce. Okay, and next reagents made by transition metals: copper, Pd, Ni, Fe, Co, Rh, Cr, Ti compounds. Copper, palladium, nickel, iron, cobalt, rhodium, chromium and titanium. These metals related organometallic reagents we will discuss. हाँ जी. Next, other elements as SiB, boron and iodine compounds or reagents. Which reagents, students? Organometallic reagents. Means, in short, in unit first we will discuss all organometallic reagents related with these metals. Okay, these organometallic reagents, their reagents principle and their preparation reactions, their properties, their applications and their chemical reaction, all chemical reactions we will discuss in unit first. Students, second unit is covered by oxidation. All of you know very well about oxidation definition and how oxidation processes is conduct. And next, hydrocarbons, alkenes, aromatic rings, saturated CH groups, activated and unactivated. Okay, alcohols oxidation, diols, oxidations of diols, oxidation of aldehydes, oxidation of ketones, ketals and carboxylic acids, amines, hydrogens and sulfides. Oxidations with ruthenium tetroxide, alcohol, diols, aldehyde, ketones, ketals and carboxylic acids all are participated in oxidation reaction. And this ruthenium, we will discuss ruthenium tetroxide, oxidation with ruthenium tetroxide. This is reagent. Okay, iodobenzene diacetate and thallium third nitrate. This is also a reagent, oxidative reagent. Students, we will discuss all oxidative reactions which are participated in oxidation reactions. We will discuss these all oxidation reactions in unit second. Okay, next, unit third is reduction. Introduction, different reductive processes as well as oxidation. We will study reduction reactions, all compounds which participated in reduction reactions, reduction processes, we will discuss in unit 3rd. Introduction, different reductive processes, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic rings. Next, carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds, aldehydes, ketones, acids and their derivatives. Epoxides, nitro, nitroso, azo, oxime groups, hydrogenolysis. Okay, next last topic is hydrogenolysis. We will discuss in unit 3rd reduction reactions of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic rings. Okay, and next carbonyl, all carbonyl compounds which included carbonyl group like aldehydes, ketones, acids and their derivatives. And next epoxides, nitro, nitroso, azo, oxime groups, all compounds which participate in reduction reactions we will discuss. Next is unit 4. First is organometallic reagents. Next unit 2nd oxidation, unit 3rd reduction, unit 4 rearrangements. All rearrangement reactions will discussed in unit 4. Okay students, rearrangements, all name reactions, mainly all name reactions, rearrangement reactions will discussed in unit 4. See, pinacol-pinacolone name reaction, Wegener-Mirvind reaction, Demesvanov reaction, benzyl-benzylic acid name reaction, Favorsky name reaction, Arndt-Einstein synthesis name reaction, Neighbor, Beckmann's, Hoffmann's, Curtius, Schmidt, Baeyer-Wilger, Shapiro, Schmidt reactions. These all name reactions, these are rearrangement reactions we will discuss in unit 4. And also we'll discuss migratory attitude, nature of migration. These are short note, included short note, nature of migration, migratory attitude and memory effects. These 3 topics are the nature, we will discuss in these topics the nature of rearrangement reactions. Next is unit 5. In unit 5 we will discuss metallocenes like ferrocenes, ferrocenes, non-benzoate aromatics. We will discuss about non-benzoate aromatics, polycyclic aromatic compounds. These 3 topics, metallocenes like ferrocene, non-benzoate aromatics and polycyclic aromatic compounds will discussed in unit 5. See students, metallocenes and non-benzoate aromatic compounds are here. These compounds, these compounds are included in non-benzoate aromatics and metallocenes. See, tropolone, non-benzoate aromatics, okay, and azulene, ferrocene, metallocene, phenanthrene, fluorine, indene. These topics, these compounds are discussing in unit 5. Okay.